If you're using Google Gemini to modify images, you may see a watermark. Here's an example. I've uploaded this image of this woman's face. I've asked Google Gemini to give her sunglasses, a pink t-shirt, and make her smile. There's the sunglasses, there's a smile, there's the t-shirt, and look at that. There's the watermark on the lower right-hand side. You can actually remove this going forward. So what you want to do is inside of Google Gemini, go down to the lower left. You'll see your account. And here I'm going to click on settings. From here, I can go to media watermark right there and I can turn it off. So now I can go in and do the exact same thing. I can upload my file. There's the picture of the woman, the exact same prompt. I'll click go and we can see here's the brand new image. There's the sunglasses, the smile, and there's no watermark down at the bottom. You can remove the watermark in most circumstances. Just make sure to go down to that settings option and click it off.